everyone, my name is Chrissy and I'm a Certified Nutritional Practitioner. Here at Fuel Plus, we thrive to educate and share information and tips about healthy eating and living. There's been a lot of chatter lately about our famous Fuel Plus butter coffee, so today we're going to show you how to make your own at home. Like all things, it starts with quality tools and ingredients. So we have organic grass-fed butter, locally roasted coffee beans, Fuel Plus 100% pure MCT oil, your favorite coffee mug, a tablespoon for measuring, your French press, and a glass or BPA Free Blender. So today we're going to be using our Fuel Plus butter coffee beans. You're welcome to use your own favorites at home, though we want to remind you that your coffee is going to taste its best when you ground your coffee beans fresh and immediately use them after. So we're making our coffee in a French press today, and we are going to use 2 tablespoons of ground coffee per 8 ounces of boiling hot water. And you're going to carefully pour that in and push the French press through. And we're going to let that sit for about a minute, and we're going to set up our blender. So we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter, 1 tablespoon of our MCT oil, and we are going to pour in our very hot coffee. Now this is why it is so important to use BPA free, because we don't want to leach out any of the toxic substances that come from regular plastics. So we're going to turn our blender on for a couple of seconds, and you're going to blend it until it gets a little bit frothy. So we're going to pour that into our favorite mug. And enjoy. And there you have it, our delicious butter coffee. It's 230 calories of amazing healthy fats that's going to keep you full for longer. Due to the fat content, the caffeine actually gets released much slower over an extended period of time, leaving you feeling energized without that regular coffee crash. MCT oil has amazing health benefits for the body, so these are the kind of fats that do not get stored in the body as fat, rather they're used up for energy instead. Not only that, but they help increase cognitive functioning and your memory and mood. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like what you saw here today, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any other questions at all, whether it's about butter coffee, anything else food and health related, you feel free to email us at info@fuelplus.ca or follow us on Twitter or Instagram @fuelplus.